Input first. Mr. Rajgupta, have you got any objection for their addition? Addition only.
If they are added, if they have been recommended as alleged, my lord, it has been recommended, my lord, also on the last occasion, it came from your lordship that in any event, whether it is, if they are added or not, they will be hard, your lordship.
Yes,
Your lordship.
but Mr. Senmuzai, it is somehow it is necessary that they should be added. After all, they are held to be necessary part. How you will be?
Have at all any right have accrued or not?
No, to that we have a lot of submission. No submission. One clarification.
All this situation is that the policy is not the same. We come from law.
With the state is in these circumstances, in the backdrop of the present, whatever leads to creation of the supernumerary reports, whether the state is justified in creating such supernumerary.
It has to be. Has to be. The recommended kind has nothing to do.
No, that is not the subject matter of the repetition only. Joseph,
No, I am hearing to that extent only. This is the only issue before me. Now, to get the assistance, obviously they are defending the creation, so it will be beneficial for the court to get the assistance of Mr. Sengupta. But formal addition, Mr. Bhattacharya, till this judgment is delivered, nothing can be. I will not proceed. But in the meantime, what Mr. Sengupta is suggesting, the recommended candidates in the supernumerary reports, they have their application for addition. If this application is allowed, they are formally been made party. Is there any difficulty?
Because they cannot be allowed because there is no right which has yet been accrued in their favor. Lordship knows in the...
Sir, 1 minute. Post has been created, recommendation has been
Yes,
made.
but still appointment is made. Lordship is well aware of the principle.
Yes. No right to the post is created. But ultimately, if the decision goes in your favor, who is the affected person?
None.
No,
we have got the recommendation letter. We have gone to without even after preparation of a panel will not, no right accrues unless he is appointed. The settled proposition of law. Today they are not going to be affected in any way.
No, today, if you are successful in demonstrating that the state has no authority to create, in this supernumerary report can create, but in the backdrop of the case where it has been done here, cannot be done.
Without cannot create. Supernumerary reports without cannot be created by the state when there is specific recruitment rules. That is a fundamental question on which we are before the Honorable Court.
But
now,
that is at the instance of people.
Let me say. Now, that if these people are allowed to be added, the ultimate aim is that then there will be 500 SLPs before the Honorable Supreme Court.
So what?
That's why you have the right.
Where is the bar?
No, Mr. Bhattacharya, supposing I do not add them formally, if they are affected,
allowed to intervene, I don't mind. No. Allowed to be intervened, argue, it's no problem.
Now, if it is not even added, then also they don't have, then they will not have a right to get and take an appeal against this order.
They have a right to prefer appeal on a leave application. If the Honorable Supreme Court finds that you are an agreed party on party. Now, these proceedings will not, in my deepest of respect to the Honorable Court and my learned friends, should not be extended to such a situation. This is pure question of law and the jurisdiction authority, apart from the question of the selling of jobs on money.
And at the instance of persons who do not even figure anywhere.
What is the other way around to look into? That you are no way barred from arguing whatever point is available to protect your client. Formal addition or no addition makes no difference.
Makes a difference. For this reason, if I am a party to the proceedings, I can always move on. Supposing, as your lordship said, go to Supreme Court and have a clarification. If I go to Supreme Court will say you are simply an intervener there. At your behest, we cannot clarify.
For aggrieved party by the decision.
No, the aggrieved party is first of all party.
If this is the situation when the writ petition, in whose petition you intend to add, they are objecting. Obviously, they have a right to file an affidavit to that.
We have served these long ago. Your lordship's pleasure was, I'm instructed by the jury to say that your lordship's direction was all these 201 applicants personally see them.
Yes.
And then
verify. Of course, without the person who will be ultimately affected. This is a fire between the state and the petitioner, and you are the casualty. So if that be the situation, you must be hard. There is no doubt about it. I express my. But when the application for addition is objecting, the petitioner is objecting for many other reasons, they are entitled to use an affidavit.
The only thing is,
Let them use an
Well,
affidavit, short affidavit even. Otherwise, without affording.
But I affirm, I understand, my lord. One might say, without giving any chance of filing affidavit, court has allowed.
Mr. Sengupta, you don't know what stand. Even the
I
government
fully
agencies are
appreciate.
vacillating with their stands. So therefore, if you intend to be formally added, you take the pain of using affidavit to these applications. At least to the addition of, are there any, call the applications number wise? Number wise.
Can one of.
Can one of
Can one of 2023.
addition of party?
এরা সবাই খেন আমরা ছেলেবেলা একটা ডান্স শুনতাম ক্যান
This is Mr. Bari. এখন এই যখন কিছু করা যায়।
স্টেট
আমার কাছে আছে। Can two?
Yes, lord.
Can two? Can three?
আমাকে ডিলিট
Of 2023.
করেছো করবে
What is the appropriate order? Oh, appointment letter. This is something else.
That's why I told you, lordship, I'm not aware of what is content of those applications.
Can 4 of 2023.
or can formula I am for the
What is this?
is all recommended.
What is this application about?
Application for addition of part.
Addition, ওইটা আলাদা পাবো।
কত কাম করছে
Five,
5 of.
addition, ওখানে। Six,
And 6 is also an apparently an addition, but they are not appearing today. I have a copy of 6.
দু লাইন করে
six is, are you leading the advocate? Addition of party.
6 is vacating
6 is a vacating interim order.
আলাদা না।
অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করতেই পারে আশ্চর্য
And seven হাতে নেই।
একটা ক্লাসিক দিয়েছে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ডিলিশন করে
Who is a junior in this matter, Mr. Bhattacharya?
মিস্টার সুদীপ্ত দাশগুপ্ত
Mr. Dasgupta use a affidavit to this.
ইয়েস
দেখো, সবকটা এই
And 2 weeks after, Thursday.
Friday after 2 weeks is a holiday.
No, 13th.
ওই পার্টিকুলার ডে
18 দেবে? Meet on 20th, and by this time, if the Supreme Court declares,
Doesn't well and good. But if
yes,
my experience has any value, before May, nothing will come. Because higher secondary examinations are there. Supreme Court will be told that, my lord, now this is interfered with. This person will lose their job. There is no scope. Already told হয়ে গেছে 20 তারিখে পরীক্ষা শেষ। So they have
that is in anticipation. In anticipation, the higher secondary examination,
education system the honorable chief justice said don't make this sufficient before this court something
education
No, I mean, the education system, my learned friend is saying, the writ petitioners do not even figure in the waiting list.
That's why
They do not even figure in the waiting list.
They
And they
will-
are complaining a lot of things, not even being in, forget about anything else. They are nowhere, unsuccessful. They secured zero. They secured zero.
unemployed,
We are at least,
unemployed youth.
we are also unemployed. We are also suffering. We are at the threshold of getting unemployment that has been thwarted at their instance.
Must be thankful that without having any scope for getting anything, they are raising.
Paragraphs 1 to 20 centers around
allegations which have already been decided by my lord's court.
Yes, CBI, I am keeping this order sheet. Entire bunch of order.
এত চাঁকি সিবিআই কে এখন চাঁকি পুরো করে চাঁকি ফেলেছেন
কোনগুলো? এটা খবর দেখে নেন। But be sure. And be sure and conscious about the objection.
কি বলছি স্বামী এই স্বামী কি বলছি না আরেকটা কি বলবি
My lord, no direction for us as of now, my lord.
Wait,
There is another petition.
these are the three other.
Only Meenakshi Ghosh we are concerned with.
No, only one.
No. Only Meenakshi Ghosh. Mr. Bhattacharya's deed petition.
These are not related to the petition.
Meenakshi Ghosh.
রেকর্ড ইন্সপেক্টর রেকর্ড ইন্সপেক্টর দেখো যদি